Ignacio Belize, the pulsing center of the Cayo district, and home base to travelers exploring the Belizean interior. My advice for anyone looking for good food in this town? Go as local as you can. Street tacos? Absolutely. But if you're looking for a restaurant dining experience, I've got one suggestion. Authentic Flavors on Burns Avenue. The homemade sign and the unique name caught my eye, but I had to go into this place to get what the attraction was, and I got it instantly. It was a vibe that says you're going into someone's living room for an intimate party. By intimate, I mean tiny, and they had to move things around to fit people in. I had no idea what the food would be like, but I wasn't worried. Not in a place like this.
After doing a little bit of creative redecorating with the tables, they have fit us in for 3. It smells good here.
The restaurant itself, like the food they serve, is a cultural mashup. A mix of Mayan, mestizo, and Garifuna, an Afro-Caribbean style of cooking developed on the islands of the region by the descendants of West African slaves. The dining room is a simple veranda overlooking the street, which makes you feel like part of the neighborhood while you hang out and soak it all in. If you're looking for local, this place is the real deal.
I ordered a pineapple lemonade mixed drink, and I caught her straining the lemonade. I love this place already. I'm pretty excited about eating here. I mean, it seems like the menu really does live up to the name of the place. It seems like a very authentic Belizean restaurant. I'm getting a chimole black chicken soup with some fresh tortillas. Looks good. All right, you know the place is for real when you got geckos on the ceiling. I like it.
We ordered barbecue skewers and a blackened chicken chimole stew that was straight up mind-blowing.
I think this is the best assortment of flavors that I've ever experienced in my life. You could use a fork, but use a spoon, you want to get every drop.
I was invited into the kitchen to meet owner and chef Ivy Flores, who opened Authentic Flavors in 2017 to introduce visitors to her culture through food.
Creole lobster. Veggie Creole, this is vegetarian here.
She talked about her style and how it grew out of her upbringing.
Belizean style. This home I was not trained to cook. I grew up with a lot of cooks. My mom was a cook. I was cooking from 9 years old. We just do Belizean style. This is the way we cook at home. If you notice, we have our same stoves and pots. It's nothing too commercial in this little space. And all the flavor is everything that we use at home.
So is this kind of like your mother's recipes?
Yes. Before I opened the restaurant, I wanted to learn more about the different cultures, about the Mayas, the Creole food. I'm Garifuna, so you'll see a lot of coconut in my food, a lot of fish, a lot of seafood. And I will be in the kitchen, a Maya kitchen, learning how to cook Maya food, so you'll find it on my menu.
What are Mayan influences?
The coconut chicken. We use our chocolate sauce. We get our cocoa fresh from the southern part of Belize. We have a farm that's a Mayas grow cacao and coffee and...
The coconut influences are...
From my side, right?
From your side?
Yes. The coconut influence. The Garifuna, we consume a lot of coconut. Everything must be cooked with coconut milk or coconut oil or a lot of seafood, a lot of fish.
Ivy and her authentic Belizean flavors are the real deal. This place is fantastic. You're going to do yourself a favor if you come here.